And then there were 9. All right, kiddo. What are we thinking? Who's picking?
You.
Me? Okay, I'm just going to go right here in the middle.
Okay.
And. I love these unboxings. The Holocron's great. We're told that Mickey and Friends is even better. I can't wait to see it. For now... Oh, processing your request. That's new. A little update. Leah common, which we definitely have. Hopefully we have... What we got? 500 out of 4,000. Okay, pretty good too. So we've gotten a couple dupes in the last couple of pulls, but we've gotten some good cereals along the way. So we will keep them coming. I also feel like there's some updates. I don't remember this one here. I know it's the first edition of these, but I don't remember that being on the old packaging. That feels new to me. I don't know. But I love the little updates here and there, right? The Holocron opening feels like it's a little bit different. They got that little processing request at the bottom. So it's cool to see them make little edits, little improvements along the way. All right. See you guys soon.